No, this is going to be a doozy. Two of Hollywood's biggest stars squaring off in one of the most dramatic legal battles in recent memory. Jury selection kicking off today in Johnny Depp's $50 million defamation suit against his ex-wife Amber Heard. He claims a 2018 op-ed Heard wrote about sexual abuse following their divorce, quote, swiftly and severely, unquote, damaged his career. The Virginia courthouse set to be the most exclusive invitation in Hollywood, with the likes of Elon Musk, James Franco, Paul Bettany among the potential witnesses. Opening statements set for tomorrow at 10 a.m. And we're told things are going to get J-U-I-C-Y juicy. So how is this whole trial going to play out? And who stands to lose the most? Here with me now, attorney and Northwestern law professor. Guy Benson is so happy right now. It's Andrew Stoltmann. Welcome back. Number one.
Thank you.
Yes. Number two, he's suing her for $50 million. She's countersuing for $100 million. Who stands to lose the most?
Oh, I think Johnny Depp does. He has already lost so much because, remember, Kennedy, there has already been a lawsuit in London with very similar allegations where Johnny Depp was found to have, in effect, battered his wife, right? So that was kind of Act 1. Now Act 2 is here in the United States. Depp has already lost roles in Harry Potter. He's also lost roles in the Pirates of the Caribbean. He didn't get the additional role that he thought he was going to get. This has already cost him a lot of money. The allegations are horrific, and it's killing his reputation.
Yeah, I mean, he's got a lot of money. I'm sure he had points on the Pirates movies that's already earned worldwide about $5 billion. So he spends, I think he said, $30,000 a month just in wine. Maybe it's even more than that. Yeah, maybe he's really balling. But he's not suing a publication. He's not suing the Washington Post. In the UK, he did sue the publication who published the unflattering headline that he was a wife beater. He lost that. How is it different now that he's suing his ex-wife directly?
Well, he's suing his ex-wife directly, but when he did it in London, the newspaper had the burden of proof. Here in the United States, he has the burden of proof. So, Kennedy, I don't know what advice he was getting, and obviously I don't know what happened between these two, but there are some really damaging text messages coming through, emails that are going to be introduced at this trial that are horrible for him. And I don't know if it's a Hail Mary trying to reclaim his reputation, but his reputation is trashed at this point. And remember, his worst-case scenario isn't not winning the case. It's that his ex-wife has a countersuit against him for $100 million. Yeah. I think he's in grave civil legal peril. And I'll be interested to see how this all plans out.
Yeah, and, you know, after the big loss in the UK, and it was very high profile, were you surprised to see him launch this round?
Yeah, I'm surprised. I mean, fool me once, shame on me. Fool me twice, shame on you, right? I mean, for some strange reason, he's getting some very poor legal advice, or maybe this is just the nastiest divorce in the history of Hollywood, right? Like Tiger Elin, Donald Trump, Ivana Trump. I mean, all of this. Maybe it's just a blood sport for these two. They have an odd relationship from the beginning. Maybe this is just a continuation of it, but it is nasty.
Yeah, even Heather Mills and Paul McCartney were able to, at some point, conclude their contentious divorce. Yeah. They did settle. She got $7 million when they divorced, and they released a statement. She released the restraining order against him. They released a statement saying, our love is just so volatile. We're just crazy. And she promised to donate the $7 million settlement. He claims she has not donated all of it. Is that an issue here?
What a red herring. I mean, who cares? This is a defamation case. None of that stuff should come up, but it is. And then you start questioning, is this an effort just to bloody her up, to make her look bad? And remember, Kennedy, post-Me Too movement, piggish men who do whatever the heck they want and expect to get away with it, it doesn't work anymore. So I think optically this is going to be bad for Johnny Depp. Every issue like this that's a tangential issue that comes up makes him even look worse. So I don't know the sort of legal advice he's getting, but it's absolutely horrific.
Yeah, I don't know that he had a lot of W's there in the UK. I'm excited to see Paul Bettany. I'm a big fan of his work. Who are you looking forward to? James Franco? That'll be a fun
Elon
Zoom.
Musk.
Yeah.
Elon Musk might testify. He hasn't been subpoenaed yet because they couldn't get to him, but he's on the witness list. So wouldn't you love to see that?
He's on an invisible plane. They'll never find him. That's why he's not going to the Twitter board, because he doesn't want to be served there. But we all got served thanks to you. Andrew, wonderful job.
Anytime.
That's right.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you.